Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools: a heat gun, a plastic spudger, a Phillips screwdriver, and adhesive strips. These tools will be essential for safely removing the screen without damaging the device. First, power off your Surface 1866 completely. This is crucial for your safety and to protect your device. Next, using the heat gun, gently warm the edges of the screen. This will soften the adhesive, making it easier to separate the screen from the body. Be careful not to overheat any areas, as this can damage internal components. Once the edges are warm, take your plastic spudger and carefully insert it into the seam between the screen and the frame. Work your way around the device, gently prying the screen away from the body. If you encounter resistance, apply more heat to that area and try again. After you've successfully detached the screen, you will see the internal components. This is a great opportunity to clean any dust or debris inside the device. Use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to carefully clean the internals, ensuring you don't touch any sensitive parts. Now, locate the screws that secure the display connector. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws and gently lift the connector away from the motherboard. This is a delicate step, so proceed with care. If you're unsure about handling the screws or connectors, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you further. With the old screen removed, it's time to prepare for the new one. Take your new screen and align it with the device's frame. Make sure all connectors are properly aligned before pushing it into place. Once it's seated, reconnect the display connector to the motherboard and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Next, apply adhesive strips along the edges of the screen to ensure it stays in place. Make sure to press firmly but gently to avoid any damage. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable with the process, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the repair hassle-free. Once the adhesive is secure, power on your Surface 1866 to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your screen. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Remember, we always provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Finally, take a moment to admire your work. With the right tools and steps, you've transformed your device. Don't forget to keep your tools organized for future use, and consider sharing this video with others who might find it helpful. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.